Hi, friends. I'm Amanda.
And I'm Wooly. Bah!
Wooly just made an animal sound. He said bah because he is a sheep. Can you make a sound like a sheep? That's great! You sound just like Wooly.
Wow, yeah. You sound just like me.
The thunderstorm goes.
At a petting zoo. There are lots of animals here to pet and play with. It's fun to spend time with animals. They are very different from people. They look different and they don't talk like people.
Amanda, I'm an animal, and
Animals don't talk, silly. Look at these signs. Let's make sounds like the animals on the signs. Are you ready? A goat says, meh, meh. A chicken says, a pig says, like, fun! Animals make funny sounds. Do you have a family? Animals have families too. Let's go see one of the animal families. I want to see the chickens. Can you show me where the chickens are? That's not where they are. Great! Let's go see those silly chickens.
what a cute fib.
Having a family is nice. I see a mommy chicken and baby chickens, and I see a daddy chicken. Look at the chickens. Do you know what the daddy is called? No, that's not what they're called. Try it.
The tornado goes.
Again. Do I have to help you with everything? The daddy is called a rooster. The mommy is a hen, and the babies are chicks. Some mommies eat their babies. Yum, yum. Okay, let's go see some more animal families. Where should we go next? I think it's time to visit the sheep. Can you tell me where we can find the sheep? Ew, I don't want to see those. They're scary. I don't want to go near... that. Okay, let's go! Look at the nice sheep family. All the sheep are right where they belong. little kitten. Where is your family? It looks like this kitten is all by herself. How do you think she feels? This kitten is alone. There is no one to help her. Will you help the lonely kitten? And I'm Amanda.
And I'm Wooly. What's that smell?
What do you think is making that bad smell? You're right! Do you know what the opposite of alive is? Dead is the opposite of alive. Good job! When an animal dies, it rots too. It looks like this kitten is in big trouble. It might die before anyone can help it. Should we help the kitten?